I think Cory Booker would be a good one.
Cory Booker?
Yeah, why not?
Why Cory Booker, bro?
Okay, I think.
Hey, Miles, dude. What the frick is up, dude? What's up, bro? My guys. What's up, brethren? My hitters. My shooters. What's up with you guys, man? What's up, dude?
What's up, man?
My hitter. My brother from another mother.
Just give me a handshake, bro.
Oh, yeah. Cool. Good to see you, man. My guy, Mike. My guy. Good to see you, dude. Lock it like that. That's how y'all do it, right? With the lock.
Yeah, what's up?
My shooters, my hitters. What's up with y'all, man?
What's up, man? Did you watch the Democratic debate?
Yes, I did.
Oh yeah? So who are you voting for?
That's kind of a personal question. So I probably would not want to answer that. Yeah, politics and stuff. I want to bring politics and everything.
Republican.
Yeah. But I was actually trying to get something to eat. Y'all want to slide real quick?
Where you want to go?
Let's go to the St. Charles Mall.
St. Charles Mall?
Yeah.
That's cool. Let's go.
Cool, let's go. Man, I feel safe rolling with y'all, man. ain't nobody gonna test us, right? Alrighty. Off to the mall. You mind if I get the aux cord?
Nah, go ahead, bro.
Cool, let's grab that real quick. Okay. Plug that in. Alrighty, I got some tunes for us today. Alright, let me just play the first song. Here we go, and we're off. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shooters ready to gun you down. I buy a new car for the bitch. I tear down a mall with a bitch. You can't even talk to the bitch. She fucking with bosses and shit. I pull up in Rars and shit, with choppers and Harleys and shit. I be Gucci down, you wearing Lacoste and shit. Montclair, yeah, fur came off of that. Triple homicide, put me in a chair.
Hey, bro, can you put something else on? Yeah, you change this?
Oh, yeah. Something different?
Yeah, something different.
Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, I can do that. Cool, I'll put something else on for y'all. Here we go.
Little pump. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spend 3 racks on a new chain, yeah. My bitch love to do cocaine, yeah. I fuck a bitch and I forgot her name, yeah. I can't buy a bitch no wedding ring, no. I'd rather go buy him Balmains, yeah. Gucci gang.
Yo, turn this off, bro. Change it.
Turn it off.
Oh, wait.
Change it.
Oh.
Turn it off.
Oh, different song?
Yes.
Was that you don't like
different
that?
song, please.
Please.
I am so sorry about that, guys. Y'all didn't like the country?
No, bro, I don't like the country,
my fault.
no.
Oh, that was that is my
Yeah, bro,
fault,
play
dude.
something else.
That is my
Please.
fault completely. Here we go.
Yes, it is.
Teen drinking is very, very, very bad. Yo, I got a fake ID though. Yeah. Yo. 2-step with me. 2-step with me. 1. Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl asked to go, she want more. Let's see a groupie and I ain't even on tour. Maybe cause she heard that I rhyme hardcore. Or maybe cause she heard that I buy at the source. Bottom of the ninth and a nigga got a score. Not gonna move on to the next 4. Here comes the 3 to the 2
Bro,
to the 1.
can we please just listen to the radio?
Please.
Whoa, oh. You guys, radio?
Yes,
Radio.
yes, the radio, please.
Oh, I'm sorry. Well, I had the local radio station on my thing.
It's okay, I'll pick it.
Oh, here, let me, I got it. Here, go ahead and change this. Sorry about that. My fault, my brothers. My fault. My hitters. All right, well, let me just do one more song on my thing, okay? This is the last one on my playlist. This one is on the spot, one of my playlists that I had on my thing.
All right, go ahead.
All right, here we go.
You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. You know they picking cotton. I'm a slave god. I'm a slave god. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Pick. Woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up. I woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. I woke up to niggas escaping. Woke up. Woke up to niggas picking cotton. Woke up. Woke up to niggas escaping. Ooh, I think they running. Yeah, they run me.
Yo, get the fuck out, bro. Get the fuck out.
Out the car.
Get out.
Get the
Get out, bro. Get out.
What?
Get out, bro.
Oh, we not going to the
Get
mall?
out, bro.
We're not going to the mall? So what was the issue?
Bro, those songs were racist.
Me?
Yes.
Racist?
Racist.
Now wait a minute. Miles, my brother, Mike, look, I didn't know that was racist. You guys know me, I'm the most least racist person you guys know. My cousin's brother's uncle dated a black girl once. I mean, why does everything have to be about race? You know? Like, well, just stop talking about it, right? I mean, to be honest, I don't even see color. Like, what? Like, we're all the same, pretty much. Except for the racial injustice. But like, look, if anything, y'all are the racists. Because I don't even know about any of this stuff. I'm not a racist.
Bro, it doesn't even matter. Like, I know you didn't intend to be racist, but the songs you were playing were still racist, bro. You were being insensitive toward us, like, and then you were trying to blame us. Like, it doesn't matter, like, about you not even being a racist. It's just the fact that you can't blame us for that. Like, and plus you said you don't see color. You should see color.
Exactly, man. Color.
Like, come on, bro.
Look, I understand, okay? Like, I'm sorry, but I'm not a racist. And how can I be a racist when my shoes are black?
There we go, bro.
Where y'all going? Where y'all? I could have sworn, right? That's really how people be, though. People really be saying stuff like that, man. That's crazy. Hey, you made it to the end of the video. We straight into the outro. No warning, we in the outro now. Hold on, y'all see all that stuff in my hair? Hold on. Contagious. It's all over me. Make sure you guys subscribe if you're new. Love y'all. Equality, racial equality. That's the mission of Love, Live, Serve. Love y'all. Until next time. Treat everyone equal.